Hey guys, this is Mayank Pal from Gossipfunda, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to do private browsing on iPhone. So what is private browsing? Before we understand what is private browsing, it is necessary to understand what is VPN. So VPN is a virtual private network, and it describes the opportunity to establish a protected network connection when using public networks. VPNs encrypt your internet traffic and disguise your online activity. This means that it makes third-party apps to make it more difficult to track you online and steal your data. The most popular VPNs that are available on iPhone for free are TunnelBear and Potato VPN. In this example, we will use TunnelBear to make sure that the private browsing is happening properly. Go ahead in the TunnelBear app of your iPhone. In the TunnelBear app, you can select the network and the location of the network where you want to connect the VPN. The VPN of that area is to be chosen. For example, I have chosen Canada. The bear will then track yourself and go to the Canada section to make sure that the VPN option is available. You can see an option of VPN is showing in the Wi-Fi section, and the bear is connected to the Canada. Let us check out how it works. So what is private browsing? Private browsing is a type of browsing that allows you to be anonymous according to the internet protocols. Let us see how you can do it. First, you have to connect a VPN. Like just as I showed you, you will connect yourself a VPN. Then you are going to go to the Safari app. In the Safari app, click on the tabs option. Then on the start page option, you will see a private option is showing. You will click on the private option and your private browsing mode is activated. Now you can do anything. And the Safari app will not track your progress. You can access any location that you have chosen, and you can use private browsing at any means. I hope you like this video. For more amazing content, subscribe to the Gossipfunda channel and also check out the Gossipfunda website. Thank you.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.